Abby from True Fitness here. Welcome you to our True Kitchen. It's a new segment that we're going to be hosting here where I'm going to share with you guys some good, healthy, delicious recipes that I've come up with and a couple of my coworkers have. I want to share them with you so you can apply them and try some new products as well. We have some all-max products that we sell downstairs and we're going to incorporate those into all of our recipes. So today, to start off, I'm going to share with you my personal favorite recipe, the protein pudding. So I've broken down the macros for you. This recipe is going to have 47 grams of protein, which is awesome, 10 grams of fat, and 13 grams of carbs. The total calorie breakdown is 320 calories, and it's only got 3 ingredients. So it's super easy, it's quick, and it's so delicious, and it's going to get that sweet tooth for you guys, okay? So we've got a scoop of all-max, all-whey protein powder. The flavor is whichever choice you want. You're going to have half a cup of egg whites. That is optional. You can put water if you prefer. It's just going to change the consistency. And then obviously if you take the egg whites out, it's going to change these numbers a bit. And then lastly, adding a tablespoon of natural peanut butter. I personally like using the all-natural with honey. That's what we're going to use today. And that's what I have in these numbers calculated. If you don't like peanut butter, which not many of you don't, then that's again an option. You don't have to add it to your protein pudding, okay? Alright, so we're going to make some today. So you're going to start off, like I said, with a scoop of your favorite protein. So we're going to use chocolate. So this little sample pack is equivalent to 1 scoop. So add that to a container. Then you're going to add half a cup of egg whites, like I said. I'm just going to add it to what I see, which is going to be roughly about like that half cup. Okay, then you're going to take a tablespoon of natural peanut butter. A little bit more than a tablespoon. Who doesn't like some extra peanut butter in their recipe? Okay. All right, now we're going to mix this all together. If you find it's not getting the consistency of a pudding, just add a little bit more egg whites or more water. Watch as you stir, the powder doesn't go everywhere. Doesn't take long. You're gonna have this recipe done within minutes. You can eat it right away. I sometimes like to shove it in the fridge, let it get nice and cold, or even in the freezer for like half an hour, if you can wait that long. Alright, so as you can see, it's all stirred up. Got a nice consistency, obviously, as a pudding. So chocolate protein pudding, or chocolate protein powder, peanut butter. So now I have a chocolate peanut butter pudding that is super good, tasty, done in minutes, and I'm not going to, Oh, hey, Luis.
Hey, what's going on over here?
Just making some protein pudding.
Oh, nice, thanks.
And if you get to enjoy it, go for it. If not, Luis will come over and take it from you.
Wow.
Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Enjoy. Stay tuned. Next week we're going to come with you with some more recipes that you can definitely try out. So if you have any recipes as well that you do enjoy, comment them below and I'll experiment some more in the kitchen so we can deliver some recipes that you guys want to see. Have a great day.